In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your account in monday.com. We'll be walking through each step of the process so you can seamlessly close your account if you've decided that monday.com is no longer fitting your needs. Remember, it's always a good idea to ensure that you've backed up or saved any important data before proceeding with account deletion because this step is irreversible. To begin, you'll want to navigate to the monday.com website. Open up your favorite web browser and enter the URL, monday.com. Once you're on their main page, you should log into your account. After logging in, take a look at the upper right corner of the screen. There, you'll see your profile icon. Go ahead and click on that icon to open a drop-down menu. From this menu, you'll need to select Administration. This option will bring you to the Administration panel, where you have several different settings at your disposal. Once you've clicked on Administration, your next move is to locate the Billing section. Click on Billing to proceed. In the Billing section, you'll see an Overview option. Click on Overview to proceed to the page where you can manage your billing settings further. It is at this stage that you'll find the option to initiate the closure of your account. Next, search for the Close My Account option within this section. This will start the process of closing your account. Click on Close My Account, and a new set of instructions or confirmations may appear, guiding you through the finalization of closing your account. Before you do this, make sure you have considered any implications such as loss of data, or if there are any particular procedures you need to follow if you're part of an organizational account. Once you have decided to proceed, the final step involves confirming the closure by clicking on Closing Account. This step is crucial as it asks you to confirm that you're sure about your decision to delete the account. Once confirmed, your account will be scheduled for deletion and you will lose access to all your data stored within monday.com. So there you have it, a simple yet crucial walkthrough on how to delete your account in monday.com. Remember, always double check that you've retrieved important data before taking this final step. Whether you're leaving permanently or just planning a hiatus, this process ensures that you can manage your account with ease. If you decide to return to monday.com in the future, you'll be starting with a fresh account, so look out for new features that they may have introduced by then. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful in navigating your account settings on monday.com.